it's Kim and I am here to cook dinner in my Instant Pot tonight. I had all the intentions in the world to make pasta and it's 6 o'clock. I was about to throw it in and I don't have pasta sauce. So this is my last minute throw something together panic mode. I'm gonna try to make a French onion all-in-one pot type of meal. So let me show you what's involved in this. Hopefully I can throw it together super quick and we'll have something to put on the table tonight. Okay. All right, so first we start with the ground turkey. You're going to want to brown it, and there's not that much liquid in there. You can drain it if you want to drain the fat. I'm going to just leave it because there's not that much. If you're doing ground beef, you're probably going to want to drain it, but I'm just going to leave it like that, and now I'm going to add in the onion. So I used about 1 onion, so it came to a little over a cup. Now I'm going to add in the onion powder. So I'm just using this Lipton onion soup mix. And next I'll add in about a cup of brown rice, and now I'm going to add in the broth. 2.5 cups about of beef bouillon, a mixture. I am totally out of just everything that I needed for any recipe today. So the recipe calls for broth, but I had just this beef bouillon powder, so I'm making do. And that is it for the recipe. I am going to cook it for the length of time that the rice requires. So for me, that's 20 minutes for this brown rice. And we're gonna hope that this turns out. First, you're gonna have to turn it off and then put the lid on. Set it to sealing and do manual for 20 minutes. And that should be it. I will check back in and let you know how long it took to come to pressure. And let's cross our fingers that this meal works out for us tonight. Okay, so I'm actually 10 minutes over here, and that's fine. The pressure has actually naturally released. It only took 4 minutes to come to pressure, so this whole meal could take 24 minutes, which is great. Let me open it up and show you what it looks like. So you don't have to let it do natural release. I was just giving my girls a bath, so that's what worked out for us. Give this a stir. It looks pretty good. Nothing burnt to the bottom. The rice looks cooked, and it smells pretty good. I just have some green beans cooking, and I'm gonna serve it with that. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a success. I'll taste test it for you and see if it's worth making. Okay, so here's the finished product. What did you think of it, honey?
Yummy!
Yummy.
Good.
Good. It actually turned out pretty tasty. It isn't like super exciting or anything, but it is definitely edible, and Jade really likes it, so that's a win. And Maya's having some as well. I just rinsed it off a little bit because it was a little salty for her. But she's having the ground turkey, the rice, and some green beans.